Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Meals. This is a getting started video. What we're going to do here is we're going to make some shorter videos where we would be just walking through things step by step in order to show you how you can get the best out of this software. So when you log in, so make sure you have logged in to healthylifestylemeals.com, and when you log in, this is the page you would be reaching to. This is of course the orientation video which covers everything quickly over there that what you should be doing, but we just wanted to make it a little bit easier here for everybody else who wants more step by step videos over here. So this is the step number one. After watching this video, this is the place where if you click on this, it would take you to the dashboard where you're going to have access to your software. Now, of course, you're welcome to do that, but besides that, make sure you go through all of these below, uh, you know, steps, and make sure you subscribe so that we can communicate with you. If you don't subscribe, if you don't do all of that, it's far hard for us to communicate with you. And make sure you also claim your bonuses, but you can claim your bonuses at your convenience. There's no rush. Everything is there for you and you can get all of that. And this is where getting a started video would be coming, so the place where all of these videos would be there. So I'm going back here and I am going to click on this, and this is all live, so you can see when you click on that what's going to happen. So it's going to log you in and you would be reaching either to this screen, or if you're doing it for the first time, then this screen. This is where you're going to customize the settings for your own use, because if system doesn't know, because there's a different kind of calculation requirement for gender, so you need to make sure you capture that properly. Your age plays a big role in terms of making sure what kind of calories and all that. The same kind of thing is required for, like, what's your current weight, and if you're not planning to lose weight, then that information should be over here. By the way, you can use either English or metric, whatever it works for you. You need to put in your height. You need to be accurate on that so that the system knows what's the right amount of calories required for your body type. Now, this is extremely important, that if you and don't be too rosy for this. If you are uh, you have more like desk type of job, the sedentary lifestyle, then you better select that rather than selecting lightly active, because it defines what does it mean. If you're not doing it at least 1 to 3 times a week, then you're not really active. If you're doing it 3 to 5 times a week, then only you are moderately active. So you need to make sure that you select all of whatever does apply for you. And this is very, very important for females if they are pregnant or if they are nursing for the babies, so that system knows in order to make sure that the right kind of calories, not only for yourself but also for your baby, because if you're pregnant or if you're nursing, then the right kind of milk production should be there. So for that reason, all of this is over here. Once you put in this information, only this is what it's important. You don't have to do anything over here, as it says optional. It's more for those people who have a good knowledge about all of this, or who are nutritionists or who are doctors. When they use a system, they put in even this information so that it makes system much more accurate for them. But 99% is achieved with just this alone. I'm sure you're not looking for anything beyond that. Once you put in this information, you'll have this uh, your goal, and all of this BMR, which is best cell metabolic rate, and your activity level, and maintaining. You want this because this is what you wanted to do, maintain your current weight, because I put in here to 127 pound and 127, so I don't want to lose the weight over here. And all of this is basically based on this. The system says what's your calories required per day, and as soon as you change any parameter over here, all of this is going to change based on that. So just keep in mind that this is your task number one, and the whole idea over here is that you finish this before you move on to the next one. So I'm going to end this video over here, and we'll come down to the second video in the separate video. Bye bye.